Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll guide you through the process of connecting Mistika Workflows with the ShotGrid database, and generating entities such as projects, assets, sequences, shots, and versions. Let's dive in. To establish a connection with an existing ShotGrid database, you have two options for granting credentials. You can use an existing user in the database. However, the user must have the necessary privileges to create new entities. Alternatively, you can utilize a script within the ShotGrid database along with its corresponding API key. This script should also possess the required privileges. To get more details on creating scripts in ShotGrid, refer to the official documentation. To check your connection to the ShotGrid database, simply right-click on the node and choose Reload Tables from the contextual menu. This action will update the node's menus with data from the database, including available projects, task templates, and other properties necessary for entity creation. The information retrieved from the ShotGrid site during the Reload Tables operation can be seen in the Script Editor panel. Once the tables are updated, you can proceed to the Node Properties section to select the type of entity you wish to create. If you choose the project table, you can then select an existing project from the project list dropdown where you intend to create the remaining assets. For creating a sequence entity, you'll encounter a text box where you can input its name. Note that a sequence must always be associated with an existing project. To enable dynamic sequence naming, you can utilize tokens. Check the NC to metadata node for information on extracting tokens from file names. Similarly, when creating a shot entity, you'll be prompted with a naming box where tokens can also be employed. A shot must always belong to an existing sequence within a project. Additionally, a shot requires an assigned task template and a status. To access the list of available task templates, right-click on the node and select Reload Tables. To access the list of available statuses to be assigned, the Script Editor panel will display the available options once the tables are refreshed. Creating a version table type involves providing a name, and selecting a task where the version of the shot will be created. You'll also encounter a pull-down menu for assigning a status to the version. All entities offer the option to upload input files as attachments or thumbnails. Keep in mind that due to ShotGrid's internal behavior, only file uploads during version creation will be automatically transcoded and displayed as playable media in the browser. Uploaded files during shot creation will appear as downloadable attachments, but won't undergo automatic transcoding or display with corresponding thumbnails. All uploaded videos are transcoded into a streamable Full HD, H.264 format. For a deeper understanding of transcoding in ShotGrid, consult the official documentation. Finally, for automating the creation of various assets, sequences, shots, and versions, you can concatenate multiple ShotGrid create nodes. Their naming structure can be extracted from the source file naming convention. For instance, if you aim to generate shots for specific reference files, you can define the naming convention within the source folder of these files as follows. You can use the NC to metadata node to get token values from file names. Then, combine multiple ShotGrid create nodes to create assets, using these tokens to determine asset names. Upon executing this workflow, your ShotGrid site will boast the following organized structure. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To get more information on this node's properties, head over to the Mistika Workflows manual. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on social media if you want to keep up with the latest news on Mistika technology. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.